Hi, I'm Ashley Haken with the Southwest West Central Cooperative. Today we're going to look at how to split PDFs so you can customize documents. Imagine you have a PDF document that you want to post to an LMS for your students, but you don't want the answer key or you may not want a particular feature of it. This is when you're going to use a PDF splitter to break apart the pages that you do want to load into your LMS. Today we're going to use one of my favorite PDF tools, pdf2go.com. There's many tools, but today we're going to focus on splitting a PDF. After you have clicked on Split PDF, just simply click and drag a file into the box where it will load for you automatically. To customize your PDF, you can click on the red X to delete a page you don't want. You can click on the purple scissors to split it, and that red line indicates where it would cut. In this example, I'm going to split a big chunk and then single pages. After you have deleted and split the pages you want, click Save As. Be sure to choose Split Selected Pages and not the other ones, otherwise it's going to override the decisions you just made. Once you download and you do that, you're going to have all of your different files based on your splits show up. You can choose to download as a zip or other export options, or you can click this blue download button and download all of them individually. View your downloads, and you'll notice that you now have a single page instead of the whole document.